Can you hear the birds? It's so quiet. So cute, right, the birds? This is nature. My beautiful nature. Very nice. And the warm winds, the sun on my face, the wind in my hair. It's so nice to be back here. It's unlike Eastern Europe. Disgusting, it's cold, chill all the time. It chills me right down to my bones. People are annoying and cold and unfriendly. And it's disgusting. I like here better. This is so much nicer in Asia. Well, I guess that's because I'm Asian. It's so nice to be an Asian here in these countries. See? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Okay, see ya. Bye. Just a heads up on the beauty of nature. The beauty of nature. I'm slurring in my speech. Did you see the dragonfly here? See a dragonfly? Did you see this dragonfly? See this? You see this? You can hear the monkeys. That's the sound of a gibbon. Gibbon do that. See the bird? They're so cute. God, I love Mother Nature. Birds and insects. Everything. There's one very long snake the last time I came. It was like 5 feet. Pretty thick. I wanted to stroke it because it was so shiny. The skin was so shiny. I just couldn't help it. I wanted to stroke it and kiss it. It's so cute, the snake. See ya. Bye.